Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Murder by Choice modded version with unlimited energy packs. So this works in 2025, so let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I found a website, it's called hexmods.com. Tons of apps on this site that are modded, and you just want to type in Murder by Choice. And as you can see, it comes up, so go ahead and press on it, press the download. And before it downloads, there will be one more step. So the final step is a verification. It's really easy. You just have to download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it loaded up and it says, please complete 2 free app store surveys from our partner list to finish installing the mod. So there's going to be around 4 apps on the page. You just want to pick 2 of them. So I'll just press tap to install. It'll bring me to the app store and you download the app. Now, literally, the only thing that matters is that you actually read the instructions. Like the golf game says reach level 10, and then TikTok says download and run for 30 seconds. So make sure you guys are reading whatever it says. And I'm in the United States, so if you're in another country, the apps could be completely different, and that's totally fine. But anyway, after you complete the verification, you'll get the Murder by Choice mod. I did the Family Island. I just had to reach level 10. It was pretty easy. So yeah, it's super cool. So I will see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get a Murder by Choice modded version for 2025. So yeah, this is super awesome, guys. I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it fully works. So if you guys are poor in Murder by Choice, be sure to try this out because it is totally updated. And I haven't encountered any issues with it or anything like that. So you guys should be in good shape. So I'll see you later and peace out.